been a while. I just finished my last day at my job and just started a new chapter in life. You might be wondering, Aiden, why haven't you posted a video in a year? Anyways, in all seriousness, life has gotten in the way, and if you've been following me on Instagram or Flickr, you'll see that I've still been keeping up with my videography and photography. Go follow that.
I'm sure if you guys can hear me, but talking is taking off super short.
The last time I showed my face on this channel was back in 2018, and so obviously a lot has changed. And you also might have noticed that I went away from the Aviation Aiden title for my channel and just stuck with my name. And you see, the whole point of my channel was to document my life from aspiring aviator and literal child, just messing around, kind of getting to know the industry and all that, to experienced pilot and adulthood. The channel has strayed away from that with my random model aircraft content and serious flight sim videos, and that changes now. Now, before we get into that, we gotta take a trip. Alright, it is currently 9 o'clock in the evening, and I gotta get up super early morning, so I will see you guys in 6 hours. Alright, it is currently 3:30 in the morning. I'm still super tired, obviously, because of all the excitement, so it was really hard to sleep, but we're gonna head up to San Antonio International now, and I will cue the travel montage. that we've gotten that out of the way, what's next? Well, obviously, now that I've officially moved for college, that will be my main focus. I'm now pursuing a degree in aviation, as well as a commercial pilot's license. I will hopefully, on occasion, update everyone on my flying status, and I hope to continue making higher quality videos as my skills in content creation improves. After all, YouTube has only been a hobby of mine, while my dream of flying the skies starts to become a reality. I'm so glad to have you all a part of this journey, and I hope you enjoy this flight of life. Welcome aboard.